Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the recent and favorites album in Samsung Galaxy phone's gallery. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, of course, you need to open up your gallery application on your Samsung Galaxy phone. And this is my gallery. And as you can see guys, I have recent and also favorites album. And if you want to remove the album, from our gallery, we need to go to the setting, open up the menu, and then select settings. All right, and then you will see this option or this feature, select essentials album, and you need to deactivate this feature. Just disable it by clicking on this toggle button. And then let's go back to the gallery. And now the recent and also the favorites albums are removed from the gallery. So the way to remove the albums is deactivating this feature or this option. Okay, it will show only the albums you select on the albums tab instead of showing them all. Yeah, so the favorites and also the recent album will be removed from the gallery. Okay guys, and that's how you can remove the recent and favorites album on Samsung phone's gallery. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.